The Cordless Pressure Washer 5022 BK3 by Mymeth is a portable yet powerful cleaning tool, boasting a brushless copper motor that delivers 1,200 pounds per square inch of pressure to tackle the toughest dirt effortlessly. Thanks to its upgraded 6-in-1 nozzle and foam cannon, this washer offers versatile cleaning options, allowing users to easily switch between various spray patterns for optimal coverage on any surface. Equipped with a high-capacity 4 ampere-hour battery, this pressure washer provides a steady 21-volt output, ensuring 30 to 40 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning time, perfect for handling large tasks. The 23-foot sturdy hose extends the washer's reach, enabling users to clean wider areas without needing to move the base, and its high-elastic polymer construction makes it durable in all weather conditions. This pressure washer is highly convenient with its lightweight design and the ability to draw water from any source, making it ideal for both home and outdoor use without the hassle of cords or bulky equipment. Included with the washer are essential accessories such as a fast charger, multiple hose adapters, and a storage case, ensuring that users have everything they need for efficient and effective cleaning.